Hi, I've got the November 2018 Look Fantastic beauty box to show you. I did look up spoilers on Instagram, and then I've completely forgotten what they were. I think it was titled Dark Beauty or Dark Times or something like that. Dark Heroes? I've forgotten what the theme was. We'll find out in a minute. Let's just open this first. So, for those who came in late, Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty box that is mostly skincare-centric, although there is more makeup these days than there was before. And they ship worldwide. One box costs £15 and longer subscriptions can cost you less. I think I pay about £11.25 or so per box. So this is the box. Navy blue with purple at the bottom. And inside you have Goya, the suspension of disbelief that occurs in good storytelling. A story that feels like reality. So we have the product booklet. So there is next month's spoiler, the Christmas edition obviously next month. Celebrate the magic of Christmas and unwrap our December edition to reveal 6 great beauty products that will leave you feeling festive. And the spoiler is your exclusive sneak peek is a full-sized Dr. Botanicals pomegranate superfood brightening eye serum worth £19. So that is what we're getting next month. A full-sized eye serum, that sounds nice. And this month, yes, it is actually themed the Dark Wonder edition, not Dark Heroes or Dark Side or Dark Beauty or any of the things that I presume. November, this month we embrace the darker nights, the glitz of bonfire night, and the crisp colors of autumn with our Dark Wonder edition. Indulge in 6 magical makeup and skincare products from high-end brands that will leave you dazzling in the moonlight. In this magazine, we explore the best tips and tricks for the colder season, such as the best spicy fragrances, a tutorial to the best party look using products from this month's box, and much more. So get ready to party. Right. And there is also the LUK magazine for this month. No fragrance samples this month, sadly. So Elle has a lovely advent calendar. Elle have collaborated with Look Fantastic before to create some good beauty boxes. Elle have a nice advent calendar out as well. I have reviewed it here. I think it is still available for purchase. It is probably, my pick content or project-wise for the best beauty advent calendar of the year. In terms of packaging though, I prefer the Look Fantastic beauty advent calendar itself. That is unboxed here. So that's that. Now let's see what's inside this month's beauty box. They were supposed to send me a replacement blush for last month's Pixie blush that broke in transit, but I can't find it inside this box. There are 6 products. So the first one is the Bubble Tea limited edition Dark Wonder Berry and Hibiscus Bath Bomb, full-sized. Oh, I love bath bombs, and Bubble Tea makes some very good ones. I think they even had an advent calendar this year. I think it's sold out already. So this, oh, it smells amazing. I love bath bombs, and they're sort of my secret indulgence, as it were. Let's see what the product card says about this one. Our limited edition Bubble Tea Bath Bomb is back. This luxury bath bomb is infused with acai berry and hibiscus. Filling your bath with color and a fragrance to stimulate the senses. Get ready to feel rejuvenated and refreshed with the added bonus of super soft, hydrated skin. Looking forward to a lovely pampering weekend with that one. Right, the next thing is a Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. Confession, I have the full size of this. I gave away a full size of this. I have about half a dozen minis. I think they were to last year what NARS Orgasm minis have been to this year's beauty boxes, advent calendars and gifts with purchase. They were everywhere last year. So, oh no, it's broken. I can't even give it away. Look at that. Can you see the crack right there in the middle here? So, right there. So that's broken. I can't even give it away. I hope they send me a replacement for that one. If they do, I promise you one of you can have it in a giveaway. So the next product is the Ren Clear Calm, Ever Calm Global Protection Day Cream. Ren Clear Calm and Ever Calm ranges are targeted towards acne-prone skins. I'm a huge fan of the brand, so I'm looking forward to using this in the daytime as a moisturizer beneath makeup. So next page. We have, this was last year's spoiler, last month's spoiler, sorry. I'm kind of having another brain melt today. So this is the Mellow Precision Pen Eyeliner, full-sized. So I'm a fan of liquid eyeliners. I use the pen sort of felt type or pen type ones because they are sort of klutz proof, as it were, or dummy proof, and that's what I prefer. So you can never have too many liquid eyeliners of this kind. I store them upside down and always sort of lock the cap tightly, despite which they dry out every now and then, which is the problem with those. Next thing, Contour Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick, full-sized. Matte kiss-proof liquid lipstick designed to last all day long, and the shade that I've got is number 4, Juju. The pretty nude pink shade is perfect for an everyday look. I think it should be good on me. I'm going to keep this. So I'll do a look with this one a little later. LMS Papaya Enzyme Peel. I have used this before. It's quite a nice mask. A gentle exfoliator will make your complexion appear smoother and brighter by dissolving dead skin cells without rubbing, making it perfect for delicate skin. It's very mild. My skin is now used to stronger acids, but it's quite a gentle peel to use if your skin is feeling sensitive, and it contains vitamin E as well. So 6 products inside this month's box, and I actually really like this month's box. As a rule, you know, by September, once their birthday edition is around, you know, the LookFantastic beauty boxes improved drastically in terms of contents, and this year is no exception. Full-sized bubble bath bomb, bubble tea bath bomb, full-sized liquid eyeliner, full-sized matte liquid lipstick, deluxe-sized highlighter, broken, but that's not anybody's fault. They will put it right, and 2 travel-sized, you know, a day cream and a mask. So that is marvelous. I'm glad to see that there are 2 full-size makeup products inside this box. They are adding more and more makeup. They're listening to people. That's great to know. So overall, a very good box this month, and one that I am only pleased to be using. Now, I am wearing makeup from the LookFantastic Beauty Advent Calendar right now. My highlighter is the Illamasqua Beyond Powder in DT. Looks like this. I know it's subtle because I used a very light hand. I have cheated. I haven't used the liquid lipstick Queen Frog Prince green lipstick that came in the Advent Calendar because it's more of a, you know, very pale pink on me. I'm more of a balm actually. So I instead used last year's Illamasqua Lava Lips lipstick on my lips, and on my eyes I've used the Sleek eyeshadow palette that came in the Advent Calendar, as well as the Ico Black Magic Mascara, the Douce liquid eyeliner, and on my brows I've used the B Brow, what is it called? B Brow Bar crayon in Indian chocolate. So that's on my brows. And on my cheeks I've used the high definition contour and color palette that came in the Advent Calendar as well, apart from the highlighter, for which I used the Illamasqua highlighter I showed you a minute ago. So that's a makeup look that I've done with the products from the Advent Calendar alone. Obviously my concealer and foundation were not from the Advent Calendar because they didn't send out a concealer and foundation in the Advent Calendar. That would have been a logistical nightmare. So LookFantastic's Advent Calendar is, at the time of recording this video, available for purchase. Code LF15 should get you 15% off the Advent Calendar. They ship worldwide. I think the shipping is free in most cases. If you are ordering, instead of the code, what you can also do is subscribe to the beauty box and get your first box free. There's another code that you use instead of LF15 for that. I shall add that in the description box below if anybody wants to order the beauty box instead, or you know, get a free beauty box rather than 15% off. So really lovely box this month. Loved everything inside. Very nice products. I can and will be using everything, well, apart from the Laura Geller, which is broken. Otherwise I'd have given it away because I already have this exact same shade. It was everywhere last year. And I even got a full-sized one. I think it was in a Cult Beauty goodie bag. I mean, where was it? I think it was a Cult Beauty goodie bag, full-sized. So where to buy the LookFantastic beauty boxes, I shall add that link in the description box below as well. I can't wait for the December box for the Christmas edition. I've already seen that full-sized eye serum and I'm very excited about that. My under eye area is extremely dry right now. Lots of nights with very little sleep. So something has got to give. I really hope that the serum works on my dry under eye area. And you know, the good thing about eye serums is that you can layer them. You can add the serum first and then add a thicker cream on top after a bit. So I will probably layer it for added hydration. So I wonder what else is in that box. Very excited. I will be looking out for spoilers, definitely. It's a Christmas edition. I hope it is at least as good as this one. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.